Yeah. I really didn't know if these guys would be fertile, but obviously we have a boy in the batch of 13 checkers. And we have quail, we have pheasant, more checker, pheasant, and two babies. And just, we have a pheasant too. Look at that. Babies. Babies. Okay. So I just checked the brooder. I wasn't going to hatch anything this year. I just did a boo-boo. There's 40 checkers already hatched in there. Probably 40 more to go. Alright, let's get you, make sure you guys got some water. Woo. I know you guys are all bunching together. It's crazy. I had no idea. This is a bonus, babies. I had no idea. Yeah, look at all of you. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yes. Look at you, so pretty. I know. One lonely pheasant so far. Right there. Yeah. Get a drink, buddy. Yeah. Oh, yes, you got a drink. Got a drink? I know. Look at you guys. I'm very blessed. Yes, we're very blessed. Have all you babies. Look at all you babies. Oh, get a drink. Get a drink. Come on, come and get a drink. Look at this little tired one. Let's get that one, get a drink. Yeah. Get a drink. There you go, baby. Okay, I'm losing track. Who's had a drink, who hasn't? I don't even know if this is necessary, but everybody says to do it. So we do. Look at you guys. You're so precious. Ooh, this one's feisty. This one's a little feisty. Yeah, that's probably a boy. Not that I'm categorizing. All right.